Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated bakewares. Bakewares are a necessity in the kitchen, whether you're a novice or a seasoned baker. Still, the best way to ensure that you have all the necessary pans to prepare your signature dish is to invest in all-around sets. If you're simply looking for an upgrade, or if you're just planning to buy your first ever set, our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has you covered. In today's video, we have prepared for you a list of the 7 highest rated bakeware sets available. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the bakewares that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first bakeware in our list is the Nordic Ware Bakeware Layer Cake Pan. These round cake pans are the ideal choice for both professionals and home bakers. They're available in 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 12-inch diameter sizes. It's also worth noting that each pan has a wall height of 2.4 inches, making it great for tall layers. Our team likes to highlight that the set is approved for use with wood, silicone, and plastic utensils. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Nordic Ware Bakeware Layer Cake Pan a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: straight wall design. This results in a uniform cake layers, making it easier to stack and decorate with minimal trimming and shaping. Special hardened aluminum alloy. It offers superior scratch resistance and heat conductivity that allows for consistent and evenly baked results. Highly durable. The set is rust-proof with its encapsulated rims preventing warping. Non-porous properties. These give rise to the product's nonstick performance for easy release of foods. Galvanized steel wires. This backs the wire's superior durability and rust-proof properties. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the bakeware is, we recommend hand washing only for proper maintenance. The second bakeware in our list is the OXO Good Grips Mixing Bowl. This bakeware comes in 3, a 1.5, 3, and 5 quart stainless steel mixing bowl. It's worth noting that the 1.5 quart size is ideal for whisking eggs or salad dressings. The 3 quart size features higher walls for use with electric mixers, and the 5 quart size is great for doubling recipes, mixing larger quantities, tossing salads, and serving popcorn. For compact storage, these mixing bowls nest perfectly on top of each other. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the OXO Good Grips Mixing Bowl a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: stainless steel interiors. This feature prevents retaining colors and odors. White plastic exteriors. These shield and protect the hands from extreme temperatures when the bakeware set is pulled right out of the oven. Non-skid bottom. It keeps the bowl stable while mixing or even when it's tilted. Dishwasher safe. Although it's easy to wash by hand, you can simply pop this in the dishwasher to save time and energy. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the bakeware are: the bowls come in only 3 sizes. The bakeware set can be a bit heavy. The third bakeware on our list is the Rachael Nonstick Bakeware Set. The 10-piece Rachael Cucina Bakeware Set is the ideal choice for cakes, cookies, roasting, and baking oven-made dishes. The bake pan set includes all the essential shapes for a wide variety of baking results, including a cake pan with a convenient lid for bringing the treats on the go. Included in the set are 2 10-inch by 15-inch cookie sheets, 2 9-inch round cake pans, 1 9-inch square cake pan, a 2-piece loaf pan, 1 9-inch by 13-inch covered rectangular cake pan, and a 12-cup muffin pan. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Rachael Nonstick Bakeware Set a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: heavy gauge steel construction and rolled rim bake pan edges. This backs the bakeware set's durability and longevity while it's designed for optimal safety. Long-lasting and non-stick interior. With this feature, convenient food release and quick cleanup are ensured. Silicone grips. These offer a solid, comfortable grasp even with pot holders. High temperature tolerance. The set is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Highly versatile. The set includes all the essential bake pan shapes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the bakeware is, the silicone handles are a bit hard to clean. The fourth bakeware in our list is the Farberware Nonstick Steel Bakeware Set. This 10-piece bakeware set by Farberware includes a convenient cooling rack. It's worth mentioning that this cake pan set includes an array of essential baking pans for cakes, cookies, muffins, and cupcakes. You can use the pairs of round and square layer cake pans to make double layer cakes, and the cake tins for sheet cakes, brownies, bars, lasagna, and casseroles. The cupcake and muffin pan is highly versatile, enough for small bites, while the loaf pan can also make meatloaf and even mac and cheese. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Farberware Nonstick Steel Bakeware Set a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Solid steel construction. This property resists warping and dinging, which backs the Bakeware set long lifespan. Premium Nonstick interior. It allows easy food release and effortless cleanup by hand. High temperature resistance. The set is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to make all sorts of meals. Dishwasher safe. You can simply pop the set in the dishwasher to save time and effort. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Bakeware is the bottom part of the set isn't double insulated. The 5th Bakeware in our list is the Calphalon Nonstick Baking Sheet. The Calphalon Nonstick Bakeware comes in a set of 2, which includes their most popular baking pans designed for making a wide variety of baked goods such as brownies, cakes, cookies, and more. In terms of size, these baking pans measure 17 by 12 by 1.5 inches and weigh 4.38 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Calphalon Nonstick Baking Sheet a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Super high temperature resistance. This bakeware set is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to achieve professional results. Heavy gauge steel cores. These are designed to evenly brown the most delicate dishes and prevent warping at high temperatures. Interlocking nonstick layers. This property offers high performance release and easy cleaning. Raised edges. These allow you to make a variety of dishes with no spills. Dishwasher safe. You won't need to wash these pans by hand. Just place them in the dishwasher for your convenience. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Bakeware is be sure to measure your oven to see if the pans fit. The 6th Bakeware in our list is the Pyrex Grab Glass Bakeware. This Pyrex bakeware set is highly versatile and can be used for storage, baking and serving, cooking and microwaving. This 8-piece set is equipped with secure fit lids to keep the ingredients ready for baking or for keeping the leftovers fresh. It includes a 3-quart Easy Grab baking dish, an 8x8 Easy Grab baking dish, and 2 1-cup glass storage containers. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Pyrex Grab Glass Bakeware a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Easy grab handles. They make transporting the product from the oven to the table much easier. Made with durable, high-quality tempered glass, this feature makes the set dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe. Non-porous properties. The set will not absorb food odors, flavors, or create any stains. Family safe secure fit plastic lids. These lids are BPA-free and non-toxic, while they're also freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Bakeware is the lids are a tight fit, so you have to push them at the right angle to get them secured properly. The 7th Bakeware in our list is the CorningWare French Bakeware. The CorningWare French Bakeware is a 12-piece set and features a classic, fluted design. It's highly versatile, stylish, and includes 2.5 oval and 1.5 quart round with glass and plastic cover, 16-ounce round with plastic cover, 2 4-ounce ramekins, and 24-ounce round with plastic cover. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CorningWare French Bakeware a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. BPA-free lids. The lids are 100% non-toxic and are top rack dishwasher safe. Highly versatile. This bakeware set can go from the oven to table to fridge and back again. Multifunctional lids. The glass lids can be used for cooking and service, and you can switch to the plastic lids for storing leftovers. Electric pressure cooker friendly. It's certified for safe use in an electric pressure cooker. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Bakeware is the lids are not spill-proof. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated bakewares, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next bakeware roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.